So I know I haven't really posted anything recently, on the channel and that. It's fair to go ahead and give a status update, that kind of thing. Suffice it to say, divorce is over. Still back in family court. You'll always be in family court. It is what it is. Pretty sure what went on with the motorcycle is I was following the instructions for the timing, and I got the wrong timing marks, and then I'm pretty sure I bent the valves as a result. So I got to get that cylinder head off, and then hopefully I can go ahead and get it inspected and see what we're dealing with. Some of the suppliers have the head gasket in stock, some don't. It's one of those weird things where sometimes you can get parts and sometimes you can't. When you're dealing with Corona and that, it's kind of a pain in the ass. So hopefully we'll see what's going on and get that squared away. Other than that, I mean, we'll see what happens. Videos hopefully will be starting up again soon. Hopefully I can get the disassembly done. Currently down, I got both cams out. I have all that done. Way back when I had a problem with that one bolt that snapped. So I'm probably going to replace all those bolts going back in and clean them out, all the bolt holes and shit with solvent. I got to detach the exhaust, and I think I already have the fuel injection throttle bodies and that all disconnected, so that shouldn't be a problem. But we'll see what happens. So more videos to come. Thanks to all the subscribers that have been there the entire time. You are appreciated. Anybody has any questions, suggestions, or what have you, feel free to leave them. I mean, it's just a case of not having enough time. I mean, I'm working on a project at work. Everything's crazy. So hopefully we'll get that squared away soon, get some videos rolling, some actual good content, which I'm embarrassed to say I haven't really had any. But again, thank you all the subscribers. You make it worth it, and I really do appreciate all the encouraging comments I've been receiving. Thank you. Bye-bye.